You're watching India Global. I'm Gauri Dwivedi. We now turn our attention to this very interesting report of a 22-year-old Indian origin wonder kid, actually, who is now at the helm at DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency, under Elon Musk to try and trim the massive American government machinery. What is he going to do? Why is a 22-year-old at the top of all of that machinery? This report decodes that for you.
In a move that's sending shockwaves through Washington, Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, has hired a fresh-faced team of young engineers, with some barely out of college. At the helm is 22-year-old Akash Boba, a University of California, Berkeley graduate who gained viral fame for his coding genius when he saved his class project by rewriting an entire code base overnight, earning top marks. Boba, who once interned at major tech giants like Meta and Palantir, now holds an expert-level role with the OPM, directly reporting to DOGE's new Chief of Staff, Amanda Scales. But with great power comes great responsibility, and questions are being asked. Did these hires bypass crucial security protocols to reach these positions? This tech-savvy squad, aged between 19 and 24, is now steering key operations at major government agencies like the Office of Personnel Management and the General Services Administration. Their credentials? Impressive. Their experience in government affairs? Limited. Under Musk's vision, DOGE aims to overhaul government operations with cutting-edge tech and automation. But with young engineers in the driver's seat, will they rise to the challenge or find themselves in over their heads? The move raises the stakes to an unprecedented level, especially at a time when the Justice Department has temporarily restricted the DOGE's access to sensitive Treasury payment system information. Bureau Report, NDTV.